Hi, first grade friends, and happy Friday. We have made it another week of distance learning, and the more and more we're not at school, the more and more I miss you. I just wanted to let you know that I am so proud of all of you. You all are working so hard and showing Miss Field such amazing work, and I am so incredibly proud of you, and I want you to know that, okay? So keep up the amazing work. I hope also that this week you have enjoyed our virtual classroom. It's pretty fun. It's kind of like you explore. There's so many different things to click on. There's fun Miss Field Bitmojis in there, which is always fun to see too, of where she's going to be in the classroom for the day. So I am here to share our morning message with you. I'm going to share your to-dos for today, and I'm going to share Eric's Star Student poster. So as always, you can read along right with me. Here we go. Hi, firsties. Today is Friday, May 15th, 2020. Now that I think about it, I hope, Addison, that you had an amazing birthday yesterday. I know a few friends wished you a happy birthday, and I would love to find out what you did for your birthday yesterday and how you celebrated. I cannot wait to see you on WebEx this morning at 10 a.m. We're going to have another class meeting where you get to see all of your friends. We'll share together, we'll play together, and I can't wait to see your faces. It's my favorite part of the week. Today, you will be working on letters E and F for your memory books. Check out Miss Field's video on what to write about. I hope you all have a great day learning and have a fabulous weekend playing. It's supposed to start getting nice outside. I can't wait. It's going to feel like summer soon. Be kind. Love, Miss Field. All right, friends, I made a list of your to-dos for today. So these are some fun activities that you are going to be working on. We're going to start the day with our class WebEx at 10 a.m. and the link is posted below for you to click on. In literacy, I know yesterday you listened to some CHE teachers reading a story to you called Plants in Their Habitat, and you're going to be doing something with that story again today. For phonics, you have an O-U-O-W activity, and remember, those two types of ways to spell words both say ow, like in house or like in now, right? For your memory books and writing, you're going to be writing for letters E and F. Remember, if you would like to, you can always snap a picture, or I know some of you send me videos of you reading your writing, and I love to see it. If you don't, that's okay. I just want to make sure that you're writing your whole page and filling it with lots of details for your readers. And for math today, there's a video called Ways to Get the Number 11, and you'll have a work activity in your workbook to do. All right, friends. Mr. Eric is our star student of the week, and I've been so excited to share his poster with you all because there's some pretty fun things on there, and I love seeing his pictures. So, all about me, here we go. His name is Eric. He is 7 years old. Yes, that's right. And he is in first grade. You got it. His favorite food is pizza. Oh my goodness. So many friends lately who have been the star student have shared that they love pizza, and Miss Field loves it too. I actually ate pizza last night for dinner. His favorite color is gold, which is why I changed the background to a gold color. His favorite hobby is Legos. I love that, Eric. So many friends are so interested in Legos, and I love seeing all of your creations that you make. His favorite place to go is Grand Slam. Ooh, Eric, I wonder, maybe you can tell me in the comments, what is your favorite part of going to Grand Slam? My favorite part of going there when I was a kid was the laser tag. That's my favorite, and the mini golf. His favorite subject is STEM. Something he is really good at doing is building stuff. That's right, Eric. And when he grows up, he wants to be an engineer. So he wants to design and make things and be an engineer, and I love it. Dream big, Eric. This is a fun picture. It looks like a school picture of Eric, and here's one of his family, and you can see Mrs. Rose in there. I love it. All right, friends. Well, I will see you for our class WebEx meeting at 10. I hope you have a fantastic Friday of learning and playing, and I will see you in about a little couple hours until our class meeting. Have a wonderful weekend, friends. Goodbye.